Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to get £500 worth of UK Bank Smile Overdraft. So first we're going to go to our browser, then search for UK Smile Bank Overdraft. Then we're going to click on the link that pops up. Then here's their overdrafts page. So they're going to tell us what's an overdraft, the type of overdrafts they have. So basically there's an arranged and an unarranged overdraft. So arranged is they're going to set the limit for you. So when you pass that limit, they're going to set you up for the second one. So you have to list things to consider. So the interest rate, the charge, so the interest rate is 35.9% annually, while the charge is no more than £60 for any type of overdraft charge. So read this through. So you also have the overdraft cost calculator. So your application status, your credit profile, all is listed above. So you can check your eligibility. You must be aged 18 years or over, a UK resident, employed, and all the above. So see the pros and cons of your eligibility criteria. So next you have important documents to submit. So read and save them up. So once you're done, you're going to click on apply now. So it's going to send you this PDF that you need to sign up. So read those thoroughly and carefully fill them out. So you select the overdraft option, your employment status, your limit, your contact email, your name, your sort code, as well as your account number. Then once you insert all that, you're going to confirm for their legal actions. So read all those thoroughly, then confirm on the check boxes. So make sure it's not a joint account overdraft money. So once you're done, you're going to sign up. You're going to sign your signature and write your email. So this is how you do it. Then next you're going to submit it through an email. So this is how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.